All right, I'm going to put a pad on here. I've already got 2 in. Okay, remember I had to replace all the pads, so they're all out. Keys are buffed up, nice and pretty. So now I'm going to put a pad in. These are 17mm pads, and I'm hoping that even though 17mm drops right in there, okay, 17.5 will fit if I push it, but I don't want to push it because then there's no room at all to angle the pad on a 17.5mm. So hopefully 17 will work. And I use just 1 pellet of glue. And so I'll roll that in the middle. Light this up. Heat this up without burning my finger. Come on, stay in the middle or close to the middle. It's already getting warm. What I learned to do is not to melt these pellets all the way down completely, but just to get them started, melt them about halfway down and put the pad on top of the moist pellet and let it sink right about there. Put the pad right there. And if you can see this, it's going to sink down in there as that glue continues to melt. This way I know for sure. What I discovered is if I melt the thing completely down, then it pools in the bottom of the cup and sometimes does not touch the pad. And there you go. Look at that. That pad sort of sucks down into the cup. And all I have to do is to just keep tapping it to keep it so it's even left and right, front and back. And you can see it's getting warm. And the reason I know it's getting warm is because the pad skin is tightening up on the top. When it cools, that pad skin will no longer be tight. Look at that pad skin. This one's even better. See how that pad skin is nice and flat? Okay? And you can see that pad actually went a little bit high left to right, but I can reseat those later. So just blow on that for a few seconds, and that pad is in there. And then once I put it, it's actually still moving. Once I put it on the clarinet, then I can warm it up and move it whatever fraction of an inch it needs, left, right, up, or down, so that it seals on the hole, hopefully. All right, so there's the pad.